it is amazing that you do get immediate results. You do see immediate results on your skin. It's like cleaning out your skin and getting all the bad stuff out, getting down deep under the dead skin and pushing those dead skin cells, allowing the skin to renew itself and the fresh new skin cells to come to the surface. Hi, this is Tracy. Welcome to my anti-aging beauty channel. And I just wanted to talk to you today about a new product that I'm trying from The Ordinary. If you're familiar with The Ordinary, they have very inexpensive, affordable products for the skin that work very well. And I have tried just a few of their products, and one thing that I'm very impressed with right now is the Ordinary Peeling Solution. It is 30% alpha hydroxy glycolic acid, mostly glycolic acid, and then it has about 2% salicylic acid. And what it does for the skin is it provides a deeper exfoliation than what you would get with just a regular alpha hydroxy acid cream or serum. And it's something that you leave it on the skin. It's recommended about 10 minutes on the skin. And it provides immediate results. And I just wanted to say that after I used this, I noticed, the next day when I woke up, I noticed my skin was smooth and soft and radiant, and really, this is actually amazing, this stuff. And the weird thing is though, is that it kind of looks like blood. When you put it on the skin, it looks a little bit like blood. And that's kind of like the scary part, but and then you smooth it out. Now I just put it on kind of thick. But anyway, yeah, so I think they make it that color just so that you can actually tell where you're putting it, so that you don't, accidentally get it in your eye and put it somewhere where you're not supposed to. You can use it on your neck as well, which is great because some of these peeling, they're not actually a lot of times recommended for the neck. But yeah, you can use it on the face and the neck. And so for me, I just started doing this, and I'm going to be only using this product in the winter months. I will not be using it in the summer months because I know that it is going down deep and maybe exposing your skin a lot more to the sun. So I would use it in the winter months, and I'm going to be using it twice a week. And so I will be giving an update as far as the new things it's done. But immediately, again, I noticed immediate results. And actually, mostly, I want to say, overall clarity of my skin. My skin it just really looked good, bright, and it just almost looked like that baby skin, So out of anything that I have used, this really, I'm very impressed with it. So anyways, if you want a deeper exfoliation and you're looking for a deeper exfoliation, I would definitely recommend the Ordinary Peeling Solution. So that's about it, and I hope this helps, and if it did, I hope that you will subscribe, and I will see you next time.